Hello and welcome back to the channel How to Tech Well, giving you free, easy tutorial videos on how to do all things tech. As highly requested, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from a YouTube channel. So start by navigating to the YouTube channel you wish to unsubscribe from. You can search using the navigation bar just up here. I'm using the Jamie Oliver cooking channel as an example. And then you're going to find this button just over here. If it's grey, it means you've already subscribed, and if it's red, it means you haven't actually subscribed. So make sure it's grey if you want to unsubscribe, and then just click it, and a box comes up saying, are you sure that you want to unsubscribe from Jamie Oliver? I do, so I'm going to click the unsubscribe button here, and that button up there turns back to red and I have unsubscribed. Thank you for watching my channel, and comment and like the video if you found it useful, and let me know if there's anything else you would like to know. Bye!